This weekend's project is going to be this end grain ash cutting board. So let's start on that. To make use of the cutoff from my table legs for the end table that I'm building, I'm going to make an end grain cutting board. What you'll notice here, before I glued it up, which they aren't now, but I alternated the end grain direction. For here it's up, down, across, etc. This will give it more stability, plus if they have a tendency to warp, it'll hold it in place a lot better when I'm using it. So what I'm going to do is glue these up, and then eventually I'll show you I'll be cutting them down, and we'll make a end grain cutting board out of these pieces of cutoff. What I need to do, I'm going to use a waterproof glue plus food safe glue that will, seems how this is going to be a cutting board, and it's going to be near water plus food. So we'll do that. Let's glue it up. I'm also using a wax paper so it won't stick to my workbench. Well, it's been a few hours, so we can take the clamps off. I need to make one side of the blocks squared up, so I'm going to use my circular saw to do that. With one end squared up, we'll square the other end up on the table saw. Now we'll rip it down into thirds. Okay, I've squared up my cutting board here and put some more glue on it to glue it up. Coming along. We'll give it a little sanding, and we'll trim the edges one more time. And we'll put our first coat of block oil on. Well, the first coat's all dried in. We'll give it a second coat. Well, there you have it. A nice easy weekend project. And I can make use of my scrap pieces of cutoffs. Thanks for watching. See you in my next project.